So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Language Austics. So today I'm going to teach what is a conjunction and the two types of conjunctions in French. So let's get into the video. So let's learn what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to link or conjoin words or phrases into a coherent whole. There are two classes of conjunctions. One is coordinate and the other one is subordinate. So let's move on to the first topic, that is coordinate conjunction. So before moving on to the next topic, I would request everyone to like, subscribe and share this video to everyone, to those especially who want to learn a new language. So means in 5 days I can see no channel growth, so please subscribe. And now the target is at least 400 subscribers, and then 1k, then 100k, then 1 million. Means I doesn't hope 1 million, so please subscribe. Now let's see what is a coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction coordinates two equivalent elements in a sentence, that is, words belonging to the same grammatical category, nouns plus nouns, verbs plus verbs, independent clause plus independent clause, etc. So next we will see some group or the a group of coordinating conjunctions and the examples and the usage of those conjunctions in sentences. Now we are going to learn the most commonly used coordinating conjunctions in French. So, the first most commonly used coordinating conjunction in French is mais, which is known as but. Means it separates two or more, means usually two different words which have two opposite meanings, like she is poor but contented. Poor and contented both have two opposite meanings. Then we have oh, which means or. In this case also, it is or is means two separating. For example, will you eat tea or coffee, like this is in English, and it or in French is known as oh. Then is and, which is the mostly used thing, that is et. Then is so or thus, that is donk. Then we have so or now, which is known as or or. Then we have neither nor, that is neither he did this nor he did that. That is ni. Then I have for. For is car, not the car that we drive. Car has a separate meaning. And the last word is puce, that is known as then. So these are the most commonly used coordinating conjunctions in French. Next, we will learn the uses of these conjunctions in a sentence. Now we will learn the usage of the conjunction in a sentence. First we have endure and I'm Nile barbecue Nile hamburger. Nile. This means neither or nor. That means endured likes neither barbecue not hamburgers. So endure I'm Nile barbecue Nile's hamburgers. Then moving on to the next sentence, that is tex fume des cigarette et a boy to win rogue. This means Tex smokes cigarettes and drinks wine. Rogue is wine. They drink red wine. Tu means you, and tex fumes means smokes, and cigarette is the same. This uh, is the article, and rogue means wine and it. Moving on to the next topic, which is the subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction links an independent clause to a dependent clause. In other words, a subordinating conjunction join two unequivalent clauses, independent and dependent. An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone to form a grammatical sentence. A dependent clause, on the other hand, cannot stand alone and thus depends on the main clause in order to form a complete thought. So this is a subordinating conjunction. So in the next, I will just explain the words in French and the usage in French. So stay tuned and like this video, please. Before moving on to the next topic, I will just explain what is the difference between a coordinating and subordinating clause. So, in coordinating, the both phrases or clauses are independent. That one phrase, she is poor, independent, and she is contented, just we are joining them. But in subordinating clause, the two conjunctions are interrelated to each other. For example, there's one that she cried. Why she cried? She cried because he fall from the stairs. So like this, I will teach you the usage in French, so stay tuned. Now we are going to see the most commonly used subordinate conjunction. So, in English, the subordinate conjunctions are that, as, when, since, while, because. And French, we have different kinds and different types according to the usage. That in French is known as Q, Q-U-E, Q. As or while is known as pendant q, and while or whereas is known as than this q. Then we have when is known as quand, and another type of when, which is a formal type of when, is lors q. Then since is also of two types. One is indicating time and one is normal since. The since which indicates time is known as dispues qui, and the normal since is pu qui, pu qui. Then at the last we have because, which is known as pars q or qui. So these are the most common subordinating conjunctions. Now I will give an example of one sentence which emphasizes one of the words in a sentence. The sentence is: it is obvious that Tex smokes too much. Then el est evident qui Tex fume trop. Here we can see that it is obvious. If we only say it is obvious, then the question arises: what is obvious? What is obvious? And tech smokes too much. It can be independent. It is the independent, and it is obvious is the dependent. That joins, that or rather, QE joins the two phrases. So I hope you will like my video. So if you like, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to help me to reach 1k subscribers, and the target is 2k subscriber. I hope everyone will subscribe and all the viewers will turn into subscribers. So as far I have 3,000 to 4,000 viewers, so please make 3,000 to 4,000 viewers as subscribers.